Hey everyone! Welcome back to the show. I hope everyone was able to watch the webcast last night. We conducted the closure for the month and the close for the 6 months, and we got precisely what we needed. But let's just get to the point. XRP is not only moving, it is about to happen something big. You know how the market can shift overnight? It may be one of those occasions. Right now, I'm looking at the XRP price chart. And believe me, this kind of setting doesn't happen very often. And get this, XRP ETFs are on their way. We're talking about actual Wall Street money, with large institutions lining up and knocking on the door. There is a whole new wave of demand that might change the game for everyone who is currently on the sidelines. You haven't seen anything yet if you thought the last bull run was crazy. It's not only XRP, though. Bitcoin is getting ready for its next and last big jump in the whole market. It's buzzing. Do you feel it? Hey, can you feel that the air is a little different around here? You know how you feel when your favorite team is ready to score? That's exactly what's happening right now. All the signs and all the momentum are coming together in a way we haven't seen in years. If you want to know exactly what's going to happen on the charts, what smart money is already doing, and how this next surge might make history, keep watching until the conclusion. The pros are paying attention for a reason, and at the end of this video, you'll see it too. So, let's get started, everyone. Hit the subscribe button if you're new here. And if you want to help the channel, it's free and really helps me out. Please do me a favor. Just give me a thumbs up while you listen. It notifies YouTube that this person has amazing content. He has true information that everyone in the world needs to know about. And they send this out to everyone on YouTube. Thanks to everyone who has liked and subscribed to the channel. In the previous month, more than 4,000 new people have joined the channel. Thanks for all the help. Let's go right to the point and talk about Bitcoin. $107,507. Right now, it's down approximately 1%. Ethereum is down roughly 0.4% right now, with a price of $2,498. And XRP, yes, my friend. Hey, we got the close we needed. We had to close over 20.41 satoshis. We'll get to that in a minute. Yesterday was a significant day. It was the end of the month and the end of the 6-month period, and we got what we needed. We are up a bit more than 2% in the last 24 hours. The total value of all cryptocurrencies is $3,310 billion. I like what I see. I like what I see. Well, put this out inside. Mitsubishi, a Japanese electronics corporation worth $300 billion. You could know the name because they are working. Hold on. Yes. To add Bitcoin trading to apps that give 100 million user points. And don't forget that Jerome Powell, the head of the Federal Reserve, will talk at 9:30 a.m., which is roughly an hour and a half from the time this video was made. I have no idea what he's going to say. This isn't an emergency meeting where we might hear about a huge rate cut. We wish we could, but let's simply say what it is. There will be rate reduction at some point. They've said they will come. People are now looking forward to July, which will truly be August 1st, when they officially announce it. But I simply want to quickly go over what happened when we obtained rate decreases. And a lot of folks don't recall this. Is that right? And they often forget. We got emergency cuts in 2020. The Fed cut rates to zero in reaction to the pandemic. We watched the worst of the markets, notably Bitcoin, tumble on what was labeled Black Thursday. The price of Bitcoin dropped to $3,800. The fees were lowered as things calmed down. The money from the stimulus came in. It made a rocket ship. That's right. Bitcoin went up from 3,800 to 9,000. And by December of that year, it had risen to 28,000. So it added 20,000 from March to December. That is truly historic. The liquidity infusion Cheap borrowing and stimulus made risky assets go through the roof. Both stocks and cryptocurrencies embarked on unprecedented bull runs. That's what's going to happen at some time this year. Put this out and put it back on the blockchain. He asks, why am I bullish? He says, I think we're going to see the blow-off top on Bitcoin on the next run-up. So, let me sum up what he said. He's saying that the bull run has started. We're in that small sideways accumulation phase, and the next time Bitcoin goes up, it will be the last time it does so. What I said yesterday is exactly what I meant. The next step for Bitcoin will be its last. I keep saying that there are 3 to 6 months remaining. That's where he is right now. Isn't that right? And he says, that's it. Bitcoin's going up. Bada bing bada boom. When he talks about Bitcoin supremacy and the big picture, Ose Osimaga says something similar. He thinks Bitcoin will have its blow-off top in the middle of the fourth quarter as well, and once Bitcoin falls, all of the other coins will follow it in a rally. That's pretty much what I'm looking at. Isn't that right? Bitcoin's price will go up to between $175 and $225. I'll keep you updated and let you know when it's done, even if the targets go up or down. Money will move into alts, but I do see all coins going up in the short term, and I think all coins will reach the highs they had in December and January. So, how can I obtain XRP back over $3? That will help push something like Chainlink back up to $25 to $30. It's going to put Solana back in the 200s. I think we have a little bit of altcoin push to the upside here before we go all season, which is a fantastic thing. Keep in mind that the higher these altcoins go now, the higher they will go when it's officially all-coin season. You need to pay attention to that. XRP is not the first digital asset to have a fully regulated spot ETF. There's a 95% likelihood of it. Dark Defender, he's asking for it. He said June was a quiet month, but he thinks XRP will start to make some noise in July, August, and September. And I'm okay with it. I'll make my man Gordon says that the tighter the wedge, the bigger the breakout. XRP is ready to transmit it. This is the wedge. I made a few on the chart. Go back to January. You can see the wedge contacting. It's almost over. It's time for XRP to either do or die. Let's just say ride or die, and it's going to ride. And you can see where our support and resistance levels are. Okay, let's talk about this. We just saw XRP close over the important $20.14 Satoshi threshold for both the 6-month and monthly closing. That's a lot. It's like your team won the playoff game and now has home field advantage in the finals. But this is where it gets even more exciting.